Hello friends, welcome to Power BI World. In today's video, we will see how we can include or exclude any segments once we create the visualizations in Power BI. Okay, so let's get started. So once we create any visualizations into Power BI gives us an option of including or excluding any segment from the visualization that we have created. So this include or exclude feature similar like filters in Power BI. Okay, so without wasting any more time, let's go to the Power BI desktop and see what is and how this include or exclude function is used into Power BI. Okay, so I am into Power BI desktop and you can see there are few great visualizations which have been created. So we will explore the include and exclude functions on this particular visualization that has been created. Okay, so as I said, and the name itself suggests, include, that means we can include any of the segment. Exclude, that means we can exclude any of these segments from this visualizations that we have created. Okay, so let's see and let's work with this profit by subcategory. If you can see this tree map which is created here. Okay, let me minimize this. So you can see a tree map and it says profit by subcategory. So from this subcategory, if I want to exclude any of the rectangular box, any of the subcategory, I can do it. So what I have to do is just go on any of the rectangular box that you want to exclude, and suppose let's take an example, we will exclude phones from this subcategory. So what I have to do is just go and do a right click, and if you see it's giving me an option of include and exclude. So I want to exclude this for now. I will just have to click on exclude. So you see what had happened here is it has excluded the category, the subcategory phones from this particular tree map. Okay, and what it has done is, if I just expand the filters page, if you see it has added a filter on a visual which says excluded one category, which is phones. Similarly, if I want to exclude any more categories like this machines, I will just go and right click and click on exclude. So you see it has excluded two categories, one is phones and the second one is machines. If I just, so you can see the options which are the categories that are excluded. Okay, similarly, if I just right click and click on include, so now it will just give me that particular subcategory, and rest all the categories are excluded from the chart or the visualizations. Okay, I can just close this, remove the filter, and I will get all the categories which were removed from this particular visualizations. Okay, so let's see by profit by region. I want to exclude this south region from this particular visualization. So what I have to do is just go and click on exclude. So what will happen is south region will be excluded, and if I just click on remove filter, south region will be included again. So now let's see how we can include the region. For that, whichever region I want, I have to just go to that particular region and click on include. So what will happen is only one region will be included and rest everything will be excluded. So if you see, a filter will be added which says included one east region. Okay, so this is how you can use and include and exclude functions in Power BI. So include and exclude is nothing but a filter that is applied to our visualizations that we have created. Okay, so that's all about in today's video. Hope you like this video. Please comment below and subscribe to my channel. Have a great day.